access the Consumption section and initially view the empty Consumption Coverage section. Add a single device. Set the unit of measurement expressed in kilowatt-hour, minutes or in percent. Assign the specifications for each individual measurement unit. For measurements expressed in percent, you can choose between the various preloaded consumption profiles. Or modify manually the load profile for every single hour. Get a complete user profile from the program archive. Then proceed to customization if necessary. Get the consumption profile with data concerning energy drawn from the grid or from the system. Insert a storage system and get a new energy balance with consumption from national grid, from the PV and storage systems.